Welcome back to our class. So for today's video guys, beginner friendly yung gagawin natin. No? So sa mga baguhan pa lang na nag-exercise at yung hindi makapag-walking outside, ito po yung sabay nyo and ito po yung gawin nyo. So for this routine po, 15 exercise po yung gagawin natin. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. But before tayo pumunta dun sa main workout natin, mag-mobility exercises po tayo ng 5 exercise. Okay, so pagka ready na po kayo, tara sabayan nyo ako. Let's go. Okay, we start with our mobility. First muna natin is alternate twisting. 30 seconds po yan, 30 seconds. Okay. So para ma-mobilize po yung shoulders natin. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy po ito. 5 exercise lang. Then we will go straight to our main workout. So stretch nyo lang po, mobilize nyo lang po yung shoulders nyo. After this, we will mobilize our trunk. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Next po natin is reach, then reach. Make sure to stretch po na maigi ha. Next po natin is hips. Okay, hip rotation. 15 seconds na clockwise, then 15 seconds na reverse. Okay, reverse. Okay, lipat po tayo sa ankle. 15 seconds sa left ankle, then 15 seconds sa right ankle. Shake your arms. Reverse. Other side. So ikot nyo lang po siya. Then last po natin is stretch your hamstrings. Then reach for the sky. If only for a moment, take me back to the start. Before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. After this, 10 seconds rest, then we'll go straight to our main workout. Okay, relax po. Rest tayo, then start tayo. Okay, position po tayo, no? First workout natin is just, okay, marches lang po, marches. 40 seconds. But remember guys, this is beginner friendly, so hinay-hinay lang po tayo. So move your arms like this, engage your core. Inhale, exhale. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Stay in place lang po stay in place. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel sweat inside my palm. Huwag lang po mainap. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. Rest po tayo, 20 seconds. Next po natin is step side, then bring your hands forward. This. Start towards the right. Got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, let's go. Step. Then. Better not text or I'll come off desperate. Let's go. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nose. So ito po gagawin natin. If maulan po sa inyo, like dito po medyo maulan, hindi tayo makapag-walking, or kung wala kayo walk pad, or kung tinatamad kayo mag-walk pad, let's do this. All in all, ano lang po ito, 15 seconds, 15 minutes. Okay, relax. Next po natin is step forward. 1, 2. Okay, so point your toes forward.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck
Reach nyo lang po. Then,
I wish when I first saw
bring
you,
your
I knew this.
hands forward like
When I'm
this.
with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Let's go.
With you, I don't ever
Kung may
feel
inap.
calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
This is endurance for beginners. So if you're a beginner,
You don't understand the pain it
try this. Pero kung medyo advanced na po kayo, try may other routine. So marami po yan.
never wanna set me free.
Okay, relax. Now, next po natin is step back, then upright row. Step back, then upright row. Relax lang po, shake your arms. Okay, upright row, then step back. Let's go. So, kasama na rin po yung arms dito. Inhale, exhale po. Okay. So, relax. So, isin lang po natin to. Okay, next po natin, put your hands here, then 2 step side, then kabila, 2 step side.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't
Hands
ever
here.
feel calm.
Then,
I
1,
can feel the sweat
2,
inside my palm.
1, 2,
Play with me
1,
like cats and a
2.
string.
Okay, let's go.
You don't understand the pain it brings.
1,
You don't ever wanna
2,
give me wings.
1, 2.
You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get
Relax.
sick of being the monster out of my head.
Next po natin is open your legs, then step in, like this. Okay, so put your hands like this para sa balance. Okay, so starting position po niyan is open your legs, then close, then close.
So if I play dead, will you
Close,
regret
close,
everything that
close,
you did? That
close.
you
Okay, dito lang po yung kamay
I don't think you
para di kayo
understand
mag-balance.
what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising.
go.
I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there
Let's go.
gaslighting me, confusing.
So pahirap to isa. Medyo intensify natin siya
I'm the one who's
later on
always sorry,
sa
the
last 5
conclusion.
exercise.
Even though
Parang
I
medyo
offer all
pawisan
of
po
the
tayo.
solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm
Dito lang
alone
po
with
yung
you, I
kamay.
never feel
This is for
lucid.
balance.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so
Okay, relax.
useless. I feel
Okay, next po natin.
diluted. My
Step
heart's
forward,
been
then
wounded.
back. Okay, forward, back.
Silhouettes of
Okay.
you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel
Hands
the sweat
also,
inside
dito
my
po,
palm.
for balance, always.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it
Forward,
brings.
back,
You don't ever
forward,
wanna give me wings.
back. Okay, move your arms.
You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. Spinning right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
Intensify nyo po ano. So like this. You're moving your arms also for extra challenge. Woo. Okay, relax. Okay, next po natin is 2 steps sa side, then 2 steps dito. So, 1, 2, then 1, then 2. Okay, so kuha po kayo ng space ng konti. So, side to side na po ito, side to side. Okay, 1, then 2, 1, yan, 2, okay, let's go. Woo. So may movements na po tayo ng konti. Kanina, stationary. Now, gawa tayo ng konting movements. Para sulit naman po yung workout nyo. Okay, relax. Next po natin is jog in place na po ito. Jog in place. So lambutan nyo lang po yung tuhod nyo, yung ankle nyo. Inhale through the nose, then exhale through the mouth. Ito po, tingnan nyo. Ginagalaw ko po yung arms ko. So tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo ha. Wala po mag-exit. Finish till the end. Pag may ads, pahinga ng konti or skip nyo na lang po yung ads. Woo! Woo! Okay, relax. Now, next po natin, step. Okay, diagonal. Step. Diagonal. Okay. So start po tayo towards the left, then to the right. So balik po tayo dito sa center ha, dito sa likod. Okay, like this. Step. Balik. Side. So diagonal po yan. Okay. Sama niyo po yung arms niyo while moving. Extra burn. Hop. Make sure po wala kayong maapakan dyan ha. Something. Para hindi kayo matapilok. Kasi pagka na-injury po kayo, may stop po yung workout natin. Middle. Slide, slide lang po yan. Slide, slide. Okay, next po natin is, now, ito, challenging na konti. Want you to bring your arms, then march, march. 5 exercise na lang po ito. Tuloy-tuloy na po natin. Okay, up, then 1. Huwag po magmadali. Challenging din po ito sa core. Yan, dahan-dahan lang po. Sabayin nyo lang po yung tempo na ginagawa ko. Woo. Woo. Okay, relax. Now, what I want you to do, open your legs, stretch your arms, then pull while kicking your butt. Okay? Konti na lang po ito for exercise. Ang bilis lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Position, stretch your arms, open your legs, then pull, kick your butt. Okay? Kick your butt. Okay, like this. Pull, then kick your butt. Pero kahit di nyo naman po umabot, okay lang yan. Let's go. Bounce nyo po, no? Kung mas kaya nyo po i-bounce, mas maganda. Pero kung medyo sumasakit na po tuhod nyo, okay lang. Relax lang. Okay, straight body. Woo. Last 3 exercise na lang po after this. Okay, relax.
I feel like I'm losing my
Now, challenge po natin. Half jacks tayo. Half jacks. Okay.
Please,
Ooh.
Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Don't give up, don't give up.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Soften your knees.
Is everybody in the world blind?
Soften your knees.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Ay, lambutan nyo lang po, no?
I wanna be the
Pag di kaya, step.
everybody on the fake shit.
Step, okay? Pero pag kaya, full.
And I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't need shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out
Let's go.
shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody
relax.
in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me
Next
a
po natin.
sign.
Put your hands here. Then, try to reach. Okay, balik.
Feel like I'm
Here.
losing my mind.
Hands here.
Everybody in the
Then, knee taps.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Balik. Yan.
There's no mercy in this world, just
So,
hunger,
medyo
thirst,
challenging po sa
depression.
arms, ha?
In different versions,
Pero
each
tiisin nyo
new
lang po.
update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different
Squeeze your
vermin.
abs.
We all have different
Squeeze your
burdens
abs.
that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through.
go.
Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign,
Okay, relax.
a sign.
Last exercise po natin is bring your knees forward, high knees. So medyo advanced na po yan, pero last naman na po ito. Try nyo lang po kahit di ganun kataas.
Please, Lord, give me a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's
Right,
nothing
dito lang po.
wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth. Put
Yung
there to
pinakamataas
make
po you
you
na kaya niya.
sin. Listen
Last
to
na to.
what they give. Don't ask questions,
Arm
shut
swing.
your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I
Let's
need
go.
to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Oh, 15 seconds. Todo. So yun guys, thank you for joining my class. See you again in our next class. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in our next class. Bye guys.